Ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to get through S&P global news, trading news, and then some technicals. And some live trades. I'm in one right now. So yeah, if you like any of that, stick around. If not, it's all cool. I do want to get to like 15 or 16 subscribers, hopefully this video. So hopefully, yeah, if anyone feels obligated, yeah, now's the time, I guess. If not, it's all cool. Stick around and yeah, let's do this. So overall, S&P 500 heat map, nothing too crazy. So it is up 0.48% today, and it is at all-time highs, as we'll see on the charts later. But overall, nothing too crazy happening. Yeah, with the FOMC meeting yesterday, interest rates, 25 point basis points or whatever. So the market is looking good and is looking healthy. So overall, Nvidia has just had a big investment of from Intel for $5 billion. But apart from that, it's just, yeah, overall pretty bullish because of the news yesterday from the FOMC. So we'll just move on. Overall, nothing too crazy. I thought there'd be more about Nvidia, but yeah, we'll just, where are we? So yeah, we'll just, nothing too crazy, sorry. So yeah, Nvidia news, nothing I could really see before, but it is, I heard it on the radio before, so it is pretty big news in the industry. $5 billion getting invested. So, all right, we'll move over to, yeah, obviously trading news, nothing too crazy. A lot of Bank of Japan news. So Bank of Japan monetary policy, and then some UK news and NZ news. So overall, yeah, obviously, as I've said before, anything with the government name in them are normally pretty good reports. So yeah, you guys can have a look through. I'm not trading any Japanese pairs or anything like that, so didn't really have a look. So all right, so yesterday I had off. So I would have looked at the FOMC was here. Nothing, obviously pretty big. A lot of people were looking for 25 point. Yeah, really the debate was between 50 and 25 basis points. So as we looked at the about a week ago, the Wells Fargo's report, they were saying consecutively, pretty much everyone was, but yeah, a lot of people knew that there was rates coming. It was just pretty much out of if it was going to be 50 or 25. So that all happened. I won't go through yesterday because it's a bit time sensitive. Once it's gone, it's gone. Like there's no point. Otherwise, I'd just be boring you guys. But anyway, we'll move on to today. Even today, so we got natural gas storage, pretty self-explanatory. So we got Treasury International Capital. So that's like about securities and US citizens and foreign investment into securities and all that. Yeah, I think just the price difference. So trade balance from NZD. We got consumer confidence. So that's 2,000 consumers, just about overall health of the economy. We got JPY news. That's national core CPI. So we'll actually have a look into that. So yeah, they're always excluding fresh food. I don't know if that's because the industries around fish and all that are so big. To be fair though, a lot of it is fresh food, and but normally Japanese, for some reason, they only have fresh food. They don't have like any other outliers. So, but yeah, just change in price of goods and services. So yeah, consumer price index pretty much. All right, so where are we? Now I'm, yeah, so all right, national core. So we got credit card spending, pretty self-explanatory. They would just look compared to the last time, see the difference. Okay, so we got Bank of Japan policy rate and monetary policy. So that will be the news, and then that will be the statement pretty much followed straight up of the summary pretty much. All right, so we got German producer price index. So yeah, that's just about manufacturing and their prices compared to last. We got retail sales for pound, pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, ups and downs, comparing it again, retail sales. We got public sector net borrowing. So I actually forgot what this was. So yeah, difference in value between spending and income of public and corporations, the central government and local government during the previous month. I might look into that to explain it a bit better for next time. But yeah, anyway, we got Bank of Japan press conference. So that would just be talking about this stuff. And then we got Euro group meeting. So that's, yeah, that's just yeah, your Euro states talking. There is this as well, so I'll talk about that in a sec. So we got CAD, we got a bit of CAD news. So core retail sales, and let me know if anyone does trade CAD. I'd be interested because I've never met anyone that trades CAD. And let me know what you guys are trading in general, because yeah, I haven't really asked that question, but I've been going through this stuff, and yeah, it'd be interesting to see what other people are trading, even exotics and all that. So, but anyway, yeah, we got core retail sales for CAD, and then we got retail sales. So, what would core be excluding for retail sales? Okay, change in total value of sales and retail level, excluding automobiles. So, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, and then we got FOMC member speaks, and then we got yeah, we got ECOFIN, so Economic and Financial Affairs Committee, and then I think that's what it is. Yeah, council. Sorry. So yeah, they're just 28 member states for EU, pretty much talking about financials, or the economy. It's pretty much in the name. But anyway, we'll move on to some charts. So since last time we talked, I did take. I confused. Someone hit me up about it. So I did take a trade from, and nothing in this video is financial advice. So I thought that wick was going to happen down here. So I did lose a trade as I was explaining, expecting that wick to go up and take these trades out later. But so I did take a trade here last time we spoke, and it did come through as a win. So I took it from, I should have had this marked up. So I took it from about here to the top of Asia session, expecting this wick to happen. And then I would have had the stop loss, I think about here. So it nearly, I wouldn't say nearly took me out, but yeah, just a 1-to-1. And I had, I think, the take profit to this top side. So that happened. Yesterday, I didn't take a trade, but it was pretty textbook, Asia high and then Asia low, or Asia low, Asia high kind of thing. But today, no trade. I'm just not really feeling it, to be fair. So these trades they had a lot of stuff going with the FOMC happening in red folder news. So I thought it might fake out. I was just trying to get out, get ahead of everything. And this one did work out. I haven't taken a trade on EU since. And we might leave that for this week. But yeah, so 1 down, 1 up for, so 1% down, 1% up for, so break even this week for EU. And then I am in a trade at the moment for, what is it? Pound USD. So I've locked this before. So this is the actual trade. So it's pretty much a 1-for-1. Actually, it's a negative risk to reward. Where are we? So it's just how it entered me in. The risk is good. It's just a bit less than a percent. So, well, a percent or so. So, yeah, I worked it out with the calculator. It didn't really work out the best by the time it got me in and everything like that. But yeah, just pretty simple one, only because, so since a few days ago, it's taken, so that was FOMC, took that liquidity, took Asia low, and then took these liquidities. And then this is the like the news hit. This was the big red folder news from FOMC. It's just been collecting these lines of liquidity pretty much. So my theory is now it's overstretched it's very bearish, sorry. So yeah, just taking out these final liquidities. You can see on the higher time frames, the very high time frames, that yeah, obviously we got an imbalance here from, so you can see this week to this week. There's a bit of imbalance, but I'm more just having a suss that this will go back and fill these out. These liquidity, there's massive imbalances on the daily. Sorry, I'm not too good at explaining this, but yeah, that's pretty much what I'm thinking. So maybe it will come through, maybe it won't. As I've said a lot of times, it's a probability game, but yeah, just it might turn around, but if not, we're just playing out, hopefully 100 trades, and we'll see how it goes. So see if we're profitable then. But anyway, that's it for today, the trading. So we'll move on. USDMX, I haven't even marked it up for a long time, as you can see. So that's just, playing around. It used to be one of my favorite pairs, but not anymore. We have S&P 500. So it is taking all-time highs, as you can see, and these were all-time highs all at once. I've just stopped marking it up because it's crazy at the moment. Yeah, it's 0.48% up, and it is taking all-time highs. People, as I was saying, people are pretty bullish about the news yesterday with FOMC and Jerome Powell and all that. So we got Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is up 0.95. Tech stocks are pretty bullish at the moment. So obviously that's pretty much all I need to say really about that. And then we got Dow Jones that is up 0.27%. So that's taking all-time highs as well. Consolidating around those areas. But yeah, for now, if you're trading anything, let me know for sure. But we'll see on Monday. I'll go through this and see if it has hit TP or SL, I guess, and we'll go from there. But I'm a bit bad at explaining this kind of stuff at the moment, but I will get better. And I just there's a lot of stuff that goes on behind the scenes, but I just got to be better at explaining it to myself foremost and to other people, because right now in this room, I'm literally just talking to myself. So if anyone has any questions about this, write in the comments. I'd be more than happy